Hi friends, in this video I will be covering Wipro 4-way multi-plug adapter. It has 6 months warranty but it does not have surge protector. We can connect maximum 4 devices to this adapter, 2 3-pin devices and 2 2-pin devices. I am going to show the internal circuit of this adapter. So this is the internal circuit. See, they are using wires to complete the circuit. The quality of this wire is average. We can see one resistor and the LED. So there is no surge protector in this adapter. We can connect only low load devices to this adapter like mobile phone charger, laptop, TV. So don't connect heavy load devices. See, this way we can connect 4 devices to this adapter.